So YouTube, got a mail day from GC is me. Hope you enjoy the extras. Take care. Oh, and nice to meet you as well, Greg. I don't know his last name, but you can see Greg. Going to YouTube PC, aka GC is me. It's going to 2007. That's going to YouTube PC. I haven't actually shipped your cards out. My dad's been working really late, but I'm 150,000% sure I'm shipping out today. And since for the weight, I'm just gonna like throw in, since all the cards I said and a bunch of extras. These are all the cards. These are all jerseys right here, and these are all like the cards I sent you. Plus, these are all those in the ones at the top. Those are nicer ones, and some of the and then the cards I sent for the trade, plus some extra, just because I don't like making people wait. But I just couldn't ship them out, but I'm shipping them out today. So here's the trade. Thanks for all the extras, man. I really appreciate it. Chuck Foreman NFL Icons, number to 250, 210 to 250. Ponder rookie out of Sage. It's a nice one. Another Ponder out of Sage. It's a nice one. Kyle Rudolph out of Sage. Nice AP out of 2009 UD draft, number 93 to 350. Really nice one. Kyle Rudolph. Nice Toby Gerhart out of Magic. Really nice Brett Favre out of Magic. That's a nice card for the PC. And the nice Brett Favre out of Contenders. Now he actually sent. There's only one card I traded for, which I'll show you, but he sent 3 jerseys. All these are extras until like the last card I show you. So really nice John Dave Booty for the PC. Pretty cool. Rookie jersey. Nice, really nice. Marcus McCauley. Rookie auto. Inscribed number 31. 72/189. Talk about his autograph. Does that look like 2 P's to you? That looks like 2 P's. But whatever. It's a really nice card. And then the card I traded for. This guy isn't the best, but it's a sick card. Our 2009 Lift Limited. I really like this product. Jumbo Patch Auto Ramses Barden. Numbered 23/25. Really sick. Really sick. I'll be shipping out your cards today for sure, man. 100 billion, 50% sure. I'll be shipping them out today because I gotta go to a doctor's appointment at like 3. I'll probably should stop by the place I ship. So you probably get those by at Monday or Tuesday for sure. These are all the cards. These are just some extra jerseys I'm sending you. Jerry Azuma jersey, Chris Perry jersey, Derry Henderson jersey, David Carr jersey, Tyron Calico jersey, LG Compa jersey, Rod Frank Sanders jersey, plus all these nicer ones. If you saw those, there was a hint when you're coming. I'm not going to show you though. Make it a surprise. So there's some pretty nice cards in there, just for since I made you wait. So thanks again. Our code GC is me. 2007's link below. Greg, he's an awesome guy for the community. Really cool, has some cool group breaks ideas. He's having a group break, random kind of group break, the PC group break. Wish I could join that, but I have no money. But go check him out. I'll put his link below. Go sub to him for sure. Awesome guy. Peace YouTube. Thanks, Greg. Peace.